this is day 2 of my work trip, and I've started early, so it's about 5:15 a.m. I'm gonna do my 75 minutes of cardio before I do breakfast, and then the conference starts. So for me, the way to stay on top of my cardio and my workouts for the day is to start early, especially when the day gets busy and I know I have a lot to do at work. The thing is to get ahead of whatever I can control as early as possible. So starting the day off with some type of activity usually does the trick for me. So I'll head over to cardio, do my breakfast, and then probably check back in with you. Hey everyone, so I'm in the hotel gym, as you can see. I'm going to start my cardio session. So right now I'm on 6 days a week of 75-minute cardio sessions. So I usually used to get them done in the evenings when I'm in town. I'm in Houston. I usually get them after my workout, but I know because today I don't know what the schedule is going to look like, especially for the later part of the day. I'll get them done like the whole session right now. So right before I start the conference, I'll get all of that done, and then that way later in the evening I'll only have my one hour workout session to do, and that's a bit more manageable than having to do my workout session, which is 75 minutes, and then an hour of workout, which I don't know if I'm gonna have the time or the energy. So I'll start my cardio and I'll check in with you guys later. Hey everyone, so I just wanted to check in again. It's about maybe 2 p.m. and I've done some workshops for today, and I'll be here for this work trip. I'll be here for about a week. So the first 2 days are a conference, and then I'll be visiting some of the facilities that we have in the Florida area. So for today, I had breakfast, and I wanted to take photos and videos of the breakfast that I had, but I forgot. So probably tomorrow I'll try to grab that before I sit down and eat my meals. But I had breakfast. So this morning I had egg whites with chicken sausage. And then for lunch, I mainly stayed on high protein with veggies. So I had chicken fajitas. I made kind of a salad. So I had a lot of lettuce, a lot of tomatoes, cucumbers, and then I also had a little bit of bean salad. I would say probably about less than a quarter cup of bean salad, and then less than a quarter cup of rice, and I mixed that all together to make a chicken salad, which was pretty good. And I think the focus for me, especially for the first 2 days, I won't be doing any meal prep for the first 2 days. So it'll just be, I know it's not the best, but it will just be eyeballing and kind of getting an idea of what I'll be consuming. So that's what I'm doing for the first 2 days. And then I will be doing meal prep. I'll go to a local meal prep service provider in this area and get a few already prepped meals. And I feel like the meal prep would be the best option because for the most part, macros are already calculated. And I know that it may be not to the standard that I usually do. I'm not saying that I'm perfect, but I know sometimes maybe they may not be weighing everything out. That's the thing that I will have to compromise with this travel, is the idea that it's not going to be what I usually do on a daily basis, like when I'm at home. So just doing the best that I can with what I have here. So that's what I'm really focusing on, and keeping my activity high. So at the resort that I'm staying at now, I've been able to do a lot of walking, which has been helpful. And then I started my day with 75 minutes of cardio, which was very helpful. So I'm gonna finish a little bit of work, and then I'm gonna do my evening workout, which today I'm working out legs. So that will be great. And then we have dinner at 7. And then for dinner, I probably will just do more protein and then salad. And then I know, actually, I haven't mentioned, but throughout the day, I have been eating protein bars. Let me grab the bar. So the protein bars I've been eating are these Cliff protein bars. To be honest with you, I'm not really happy about the macros for these protein bars because it's really high calories and you're not getting that much protein. So there's a lot of carbs and a lot of fat in these protein bars. And the only reason I really got them is because when I went to Walmart to grab a few items, these were the only protein bars that I saw. I usually like the Quest bars, the Quest protein bars, any of them to be honest, because they're usually like 21 grams of protein, and everything else is not too elevated. But here, this has 11 grams of fat and 29 grams of carb. That is really high in my opinion. But again, I'm making it work and just making it fit the macros that I have for these next couple of days. So that's pretty much all of the update for now. I'll try to get some footage at the gym, but if not, then I will catch up with you guys either later this evening or tomorrow.
Okay, hello again. So this is day 3. This is a Wednesday. I know I said yesterday I'll check back in, but I wasn't able to get a lot of footage at the gym. I went to Planet Fitness, and as always it was very crowded, so I just didn't record. But I got a good workout in. They had most of the machines. The thing about Planet Fitness, their free weights don't go up as high as say like a bodybuilding gym, so I was just limited on some of the, just in particular I had dumbbell deadlifts, and I was limited at how much I can do, but otherwise I think the workout was very good. And that's like a hack, or I'd say it's great to get one of those budget-friendly gyms if you're traveling a lot, because you usually have them in every city, probably across North America, because I know Planet Fitness is in Canada as well. So there's a benefit there to at least having a membership there, and then if you travel, you can use one of the facilities in the city that you're visiting. So right now it's Wednesday, day 3 of my trip. I'm going to get some cardio done, probably an hour today, and then later I'll do the additional 15 minutes because I have upper body later for my workout. Today I'm checking out of this hotel and then going to the other one closer to the facility that I'm visiting, and then that's pretty much it. Later today I'll also check in because I need to get my meal prep. I already ordered it, so I just have to pick it up on my way to the next hotel, and those will be the meals that I'm eating for today. So right now I'm gonna do fasted cardio, and then I won't eat until probably 11-12 once I get my meals. For me, that's not too bad because I'm very used to intermittent fasting, so I should be good. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys once I'm picking up my meals.
Hey everyone, so I am done with the conference. It ended at noon, so I'm at the new location where the facility that I'm visiting is located here. And before I got here, it was about an hour-and-a-half drive. Before I got here, I made sure to stop off and get my meal prep, which I mentioned about. So let me show you that. So I got, what is it called? Fitlife Foods. It was in Orlando. I'm not sure if anyone knows of this this company, but I've eaten one of their meals and it is, I have to say, very good. So I'm hoping the macros are tracking with what they said they are at this point. But these are the meals that I got. So this one is supercharged chicken, very nicely packaged. I would say about this company, very nicely packaged. They come with the macros on the back. The representatives that handle my order, they were very, very friendly. And when you go into the store, I wish I got some footage of the store, but when you go into the store, it's like an open service. So if you didn't place an order, you could actually just pick up items in person. So they have all of their meals nicely laid out in their like open style refrigerator, and then you can pick out whatever you want. I ended up getting meals for today and tomorrow since I'm pretty far out from the city, so I just thought it made more sense to get all of my meals at once for today and tomorrow, and then Friday when I travel back, I will just pick up something quick before I go to the airport, and then that way I don't have to worry about not being on my macros. So yeah, I think this is definitely a good hack if you're out of town for an extended period of time. I'd say look into meal prep services that are local to whatever city that you're visiting. And this meal prep service was a recommendation from my prep coach. He suggested I try them out, and so far I've really liked the first meal that I had. I think it was steak or beef, barbecue beef and mac and cheese. This one is supercharged chicken. I'll show you the rest that I have. Then this one is Bourbon Street chicken. So that's just chicken and rice. And then I have some chicken unfried rice, which is it's just chicken, rice, and it looks like some veggies mixed together. And then, like I said, the barbecue beef with mac and cheese. Cost-wise, these are very good as well. I think it's about $11 per meal, and I'm pretty sure they have discount codes if you are just signing up. So far, so good. I'll come back and check in tomorrow and give a full review because I ended up just getting 2 of everything for the full day. So I'm gonna eat the same thing today and tomorrow. So by tomorrow, I'll have a good idea of what really tastes good. Will I continue to recommend? But right now, as of the one meal that I've had so far, and they had some PB kind of cookie bites that I tried, I would say that the meal quality is very good. For the price, I think they did a really good job with these containers, and even freezing wise, I think these would be good. All around, I think it's just a really good job with this meal prep. So right now, I'm gonna get some work done, respond to some emails, and then later I have probably an hour and a half at the gym. So I'm doing upper body today. I need to see if there's a Planet Fitness in this area. It looks, to be honest, this area looks very secluded and rural. So I don't even know if there's going to be a Planet Fitness. If not, I'm just gonna use the gym that's in the hotel.
Hey everyone, this is day 4 checking in, and it's about 7:45 a.m. here. I took a little bit longer rest this night. I feel like really relaxed, refreshed, and ready to go. And today the thing that's on my agenda is do some work. I'll do some work in the hotel, and then later on in the day, I'll go visit one of the facilities that I need to visit. But throughout the day, I'm intending to revisit what we talked about yesterday, the meals that I purchased, because I think I just quickly went over each of the meals, but I wanted to do like maybe a little bit more zoomed in of what the meals look like and give you a taste test or taste rating of each of the meals. And then if someone's interested in this meal prep service, they can follow up and see if that's something they want to set up, or they also have just walk in, you can pick up a couple of meals. I know that this company, is it Fitlife Foods? They are definitely located in Orlando, and they have 2 or 3 locations in Orlando. I'm just not sure if they're located throughout the rest of Florida or even the rest of the US. So that's something you can check out. I'll leave their information in the description section below. And that way, if you're interested, you can definitely follow up and see what you like to try out. But for right now, that's pretty much it. I'll check back in later, like I mentioned, and see what's going on later in the day. Okay. Hello again. So the first meal I'm going to start with today is the Bourbon Street chicken. I just took it out of the refrigerator, and let me show you the macros where you can read it. So it is 470 calories, 9 grams of fat, 44 grams of carbohydrates, and 48 grams of protein. So I'm gonna heat this up, and then I'll probably rate these on a scale of 10, and then let you know what my favorite is. Here is the chicken unfried rice. Macros are 9 grams of fat, 42 grams of carbohydrates, and 39 grams of protein. About to heat this one up for lunch before my workout. Hey, so I am back in Houston. I know I said I was going to record, but I wasn't able to get all of the meals. I know I will put a couple of the meals that I did eat on my trip. I'll put it in my video so you guys will see that. But I would say the overall review for Fit Food, or is it Fit Life? I would give them like a 9-10 out of 10 because the quality of the food is very good in terms of flavor. They're very quick and easy, really good service. So if you're in the Orlando area, that's a good option for you. So I'm back. Today has been kind of busy, and I'm packing this weekend, so this is pretty much all of the video. I hope you guys got to see how I try to balance working out with traveling out of town for work. The key here is just be intentional with setting up time to do cardio or workouts or whatever it is that you have to do to stay on your fitness goals. Typically start your day with that, and I think you should be able to stay on track relatively quickly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you're not already subscribed. But this is it for now. See you in the next one. Bye.